Okay, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. We're going to talk about how to solve systems of linear equations using graphing. This is just one of the many methods that's available to us. So let's look at our first set of equations. So we have equation A, negative 2x plus 3y equals negative 9. Equation B, x plus y equals 2. This will sometimes happen. Remember, we just have to get them into slope-intercept form. So just going to go through really quickly and turn them into slope-intercept form. Remember, there are other videos about that as well if you need that. Plus negative 9. We're going to divide everything by 3. Remember, your slope can stay a fraction. We actually prefer that. So 2/3 x plus negative 3. I'm going to do the same thing with b just while we're doing this really quickly. Y equals negative x plus 2. And let's see, I'm just going to kind of go around them so I can easily see which one is which. So we have y equals 2/3 x plus a negative 3. X plus a negative 3. Go ahead and make sure you copy these down and grab a piece of graph paper. We're going to graph them. So we're going to graph them on the same graph. So here's my lovely handy dandy graph, which I will get to fit on the screen, I hope. So sorry about that. Let's just move this. Can we move this around maybe? Okay. So the first one is 2/3 x plus a negative 3. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down to negative 3, 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to place my dot. From here, remember it's rise over run. So I'm going to go up 2 because it's in the positive, but then also my denominator is positive, so I have to go to the right because that's also positive. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Place your dot. I'm going to repeat this. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to do my very, very, very best to be able to make a line, a straight line. Yeah, not that kind, but we're getting there. Let's see if we can move this on top. We're trying. So this is more or less our line. I apologize. You guys all know that okay, let's try that again because it just disappeared on me. Let's try and see if we can get a straight line of some sort. I know, Miss Carton needs to work on this. You guys tell me this all the time. Okay, there we go. There's our line. Now, let's make our other one. So this was for our equation A. Now, equation B was y equals negative x plus 2. So I need to start at 2 on my y-axis. And I'm going to put a nice big dot there. Now, remember negative x is really, so negative x is really negative 1 x. And this, as a fraction, is 1 over 1. So it's going to be down 1 because my numerator is negative, but it's still going to be in the positive direction of a positive denominator. 1, 1, 1, 1. Oh, look, they very nicely already cross. I like this one. This was really nice for us. They won't always cross like that where we actually see them cross that point. In this case, it is. And so our solution, which is right here, is going to be at, what is that, 3, negative 1. Okay? Now, don't forget to go back and check your solution. So let's go back and check. And this kind of ties into the previous video where we're taking our two equations and we know that this is 3, negative 1. So let's see. Go put this right here. And let me just relabel this x and y. So in place of y, I'm going to put negative 1 in. And in place of x, I'm putting in 3, so 2/3 times 3 plus -3, so we have -1 equals 6/3, because remember, we're just multiplying our numerators, plus -3, -1 equals 2, plus -3, -1 equals -1. Yay! Check. This one checked out. Now for our next one, we're going to use the same coordinates. I'm going to do the same thing, but for a different equation. So it's going to be -1 equals negative. Remember, that's the invisible one, times 3 plus 2. -1 equals -3 plus 2. Oh, it's just backwards. Okay, so this is -1. This one checks out, which means this is a true solution for us. We are all kinds of regular happy, and this is how we solve by graphing. My next video will be about substitution and then elimination. Please let me know if you'd like me to post more. I'm trying to make these kind of short because I know you're getting some direct instruction in school as well. Okay, bye guys.